Hello, very good morning, everybody. Today, as part of our continuous improvement over this Python related automation, we are going to install the necessary IDE, integrated development environment, for these Python based projects. So because we are going to do complex test scripts for that, doing it in command line will not work for a long time. That's why we are going to do that. In order to install it, we have to find out the IDE. From IDE we have to install the IDE. There is like something called as a Pycharm is an IDE. It is they are having this is their website. It is from JetBrains. There we have a community edition as well. If you download this version, we can download this version and enjoy a Python development with this IDE. So when I hit this button, I will get it. But before I downloaded that before, so I am going to install it from my download folder. So this is the link to download it. To install it, just double click on that. So acknowledge yes, and then just give the path in which it should be installed, and then create desktop shortcut, path variable, and then py. I don't know this, that's why I just leave it, and then just click next, install. That's it. So select I want to manually reboot later, and then it is ready now. So to open Pycharm, we can double click on this. So you just acknowledge this. There is a data sharing. Okay, anonymous statistics. Okay, so now I'm going to create a new project. I want to call this project as test automation. Okay, so they are selecting 3.9 version by default. Okay, then just hit that. It says creating virtual environment. Let us wait for that. Okay, I believe it's like it's giving some welcome script as part of this project creation. Right now, let us simply run this and see what happens. Okay, it's print hi Pycharm. Hi Pycharm. So this is the function that they have written, and then hi, and then the name of whatever that they pass here, that will be printed. Hi Pycharm is coming. So from here we can write our functions, whatever that we want to write.